Welcome to all. In this video, we are going to discuss the concept of interfacing LED with 8051. As we all know that LED means light emitting diode, which emits light when current is passed through it. So it could glow up if we pass more current. So in order to satisfy this, we need to put a current limiting resistor in series with LED. So here if you observe, LED is connected in series with a resistor. So when interfacing LED to microcontroller, we need to calculate the value of this resistor. So the formula for resistor is R is equal to V minus 1.7 by 10 milliamps. Why we have taken 1.7 and 10 milliamps means generally the voltage drop is of 1.7 volt when we are interfacing to LED to the microcontroller, and it need a minimum current of 10 milliamps to glow at full intensity. Okay, so that's why V minus 1.7 by 10 milliamps. Here V is the voltage. For 8051 V is of 5 volts, so 5 volts power supply is required to operate the 8051. So if we substitute 5 volts in this, R is equal to 330 ohms. So while interfacing this LED to the 8051, we need to place 330 ohm resistor as a current limiting resistor here. So before going to the program, now we discuss one important concept, that is what do we mean by sourcing current and sinking current. Okay, if you observe here, sourcing current means for LED supply is from the 8051. Okay, for LED the supply is coming from the 8051, which makes the LED to glow dim. Why? Actually for 8051 we are giving the supply as 5 volts. From that 5 volts it is drawing some voltage. Okay, so if that happens like this, it is known as a sourcing current, so which makes LED to glow dim. So to overcome this problem, LEDs are connected in reverse order. Okay, so here if you observe, 5 volt supply is directly connected to the LED here, so such that whenever we are connected direct supply to the LED, it may glow brighter. Okay, so this problem is overcome by the process of the sinking current. If you observe here, write an ALP to flash LED connected to port pin P2.0 continuously. It is very simple program. First of all, set B means set bit. Okay, set B means set bit. So P2.0. Generally, this is the diagram. LED connected in series. So to connect one LED, just we require only one port pin. So in the question they mentioned connect LED to the P2.0. So connect this diagram to the P2.0. One port pin is enough. So set bit P2.0 means P2.0 becomes 1. Okay, set B P2.0 means P2.0 becomes the 1 here. So a call delay, absolute call delay, and it will call this delay and wait for some time, and after some time clear P2.0 means again P2.0 becomes 0, means LED off. Set whenever you are set this 1 bit to the P2.0, LED is going to on. Whenever you are going to clear, the LED is going to off here. Okay, so again a call delay, wait for some time, short jump back. Continuously LED is going to on and off by using this program. Okay, and as usual we need to write the delay program separately in order to reduce the length of the program. So here we will use two registers R2 and R3 here. We will move some immediate data 255 to R2 and 255 to R3. So decrement jump if not equal to 0, R3 comma L2 means it is going to decrement 255, next 254. If it is not 0, the loop is going to repeated here. Okay, 253, 252 like this up to so on. After getting 0, it enters to the next loop. Okay, DJNZ R2 comma L1. Here in R2 we are having 255. Again it is going to decrement. Until then the loop is going to repeat here. So after return again these instructions are going to be executed. So this is about the interfacing of LED with 8051. I hope you all of you understand. Thank you so much.